Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I'm here with Debbie, and we wanted to just welcome you to our Valentine Shop. Now,
Yeah.
the Valentine Shop has been open for a couple of weeks now, but with the holidays and everything, we're a little bit behind schedule. And we, just to start out, we have this, we'll talk about this in a minute, but the Piece of My Heart kit, we put that on introductory, like early bird sale. And what happened was, I don't know about you, but the week between Christmas and New Year, I got like a billion emails. And I was finding like I was like missing everything. So we thought, even though this has been on sale for a little while, we're extending the sale on this kit, just in case you did miss those emails. Because like I said, did you get like a million emails the week
Of
between
course.
Christmas and New Year's? Yeah.
They might have got lost, some of
Yes,
those,
yes.
yeah.
So we thought we'll just keep it on sale for a little while longer. And we didn't get a chance to do this video before because, again, the holidays. So, yeah, so we thought we'll take this opportunity to show you everything we have in the Valentine shop. So I know Christmas and fall are always like really popular for sewing, making anything, but I happen to love more than anything Valentine sewing.
Yeah.
I don't. Do you decorate your house for Valentine's Day?
Not really.
A little bit.
My house is torn up right now with
Oh,
construction,
okay.
so I barely got a tree up for
Okay.
Christmas.
So I love decorating for Valentine's Day. I have like I love red and pink. I have like all these little, I just like hearts.
Pretty.
So yeah, so I happen to love our Valentine shop. So the first thing I wanted to show you what we talked about. Maybe you want to just hold up the kit real quick. So it's called Piece of My Heart. And you'll see it comes with charm squares, which makes things go faster. You've got some red fabric with little white hearts on it. There's a really pretty floral fabric that goes with it. And then there's this cute, I love a dot. I like a little Swiss dot. So there's that goes with it. Now, the fabric for this came in really late. So we were really scrambling to get these kits together for you. So I will show you a picture of, we didn't get a chance to make a sample because everything came in so late. But I will show you, it makes a little 21-inch square top. You could use it for a topper. You could use it for a wall hanging. You could put it on the back of a chair. And the pattern includes 3 different ways to lay out the hearts, depending on how you want to use it. And then I just thought I would show you, now this isn't the actual project. This is smaller. This was something that I made a while back, but it's these little pieced hearts. And it's actually, there's 9 of the little pieced hearts. They're really scrappy. It's got this pretty black sashing with the red squares in between. So I just wanted to show you that since we don't have an actual sample, but that's what you can make one of those 3 toppers with this kit. So that's going to be on sale through next Monday, January 13th. Again, just to give you a little extra time in case you missed our emails because things were kind of crazy over the holidays.
Yeah.
So another new thing we have, maybe you want to hold up.
Yeah. These
So
are so cute.
Our little Christmas panels that we sold back in the fall and December were really, really popular. So we're doing some Valentine's Day ones. Now, these gnomes are still super popular. These gnomes are so, so cute. I love the way the red and the pink pop on that black background. I think that's really cute. So there's all kinds of things that you can make with your little Valentine panels. Those are really pretty. These are floral hearts. And I don't know if you can see the background. It's like a really subtle script, like a handwritten script. So pretty for Valentine's Day, but also really pretty for Mother's Day.
Oh, yeah.
Bridal shower, birthdays, all kinds of things. You could use these.
That has a pink, red, lavender, and some like periwinkle is what I call it in it. It's a
right. So it's not overtly Valentine's Day. It can be Valentine's Day, but I also think it's really springy. So you can make some projects now using this, and that will carry you right through the spring. You could put them out for Valentine's Day and then leave them out all through.
And this is more than Valentine's as well.
So then we have, I love those, the little bears. They're so cute. They're like little bears in love. And they have little heart balloons and everything. And again, since they have hearts, you can use them for Valentine's Day, but they would be really cute for, again, a spring project, summer, even like a juvenile project for little kids, like a pillow or something. They would be really cute. So yeah, you get 5 different designs with the panels. And then we do have a pattern called Scandinavian Winter, which you can buy. And we give you all different ideas for different colors you could use this in. So you can like mix and match this. If you already got the Scandinavian winter pattern, you could mix and match this into those projects. If you didn't get it yet, you could get that and do the projects in pinks and reds, or in this case, like lavenders, and make some, they're really quick projects. They're little projects. So make some really cute, quick Valentine's or spring or birthday projects. So those are our new panels in the shop.
So cute.
So what else do we have that's new? Those.
A couple notions here.
Okay, here. Why don't you hold up the charm? So our needle minders have been really popular. Again, we're back with the vintage pickup truck, and this one it's pink and it's got little it's got hearts in it, which is adorable. So and now you've got the charm, which that could go on a pair of scissors. You had it on you had like a red purse, and you put it on the zipper of the purse or the handle, and that was really, really cute.
Wasn't it cute?
So you could use it for a zipper pull.
I hated to take it off.
Yeah.
It was so cute.
So there's lots of things you can use that little charm for. It's really, really adorable. What else do we, the fabrics. You want to hold up some of these?
Right. This is.
Yeah, so this is really subtle. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It's white, but there's very subtle white heart prints in it. So this is a great applique or hand embroidery background, or if you're just using a white for any kind of project. Again, the little hearts are so subtle, doesn't even have to be a Valentine's project, but we've got those big hearts, which are really fun for maybe for a border or a backing.
And pink, I love you.
It says I love you. I think that's adorable.
2 reds.
And this one I picked because I just think they're all scripture quotes that have to do with love. So let me see if I can read some. I will give you a new heart. Love the Lord with all your heart from Proverbs. Gentle and humble in heart from Matthew. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son from John. So lots and lots of different love quotes. Love covers all transgressions.
There's a lot.
A lot of different ones. I'm reading these. So not only great for Valentine's Day, I think for any kind of a project. Really, you know what this would be really great for? A wedding or shower gift, because it's talking all about love. So we're selling these fabrics individually by the half yard in the yard. So if you see something you like, you don't have to get all of them. They're not a bundle. You could just pick out your favorite or favorites and buy a half yard or a yard or whatever you need for your projects. So these are new in the Valentine shop. Super pretty.
Well, we also have red with kisses.
Oh, little red kisses.
Little X's, just red on red, subtle.
Yeah. Look how cute these are together.
Oh, yeah.
This is a little bit different red. That's warmer. A little bit different. Yeah. But these two go really well together. These actually all go really well together. Yeah.
Would they match with this?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, my.
You could make some really cute projects with that.
It goes well.
Adorable. Yeah. So, and then we have this has been so popular. This is the You and Me and a Cup of Tea mini quilt kit. Comes with everything you need. Comes with the pre-printed panel. Comes with the fabrics for the front, the binding, the backing, and the pattern. And then the little red hearts, red heart buttons are included in that kit. And we also sell those little red heart buttons separately. In our shop.
They're in the Valentine shop.
Yeah. So if you've got a project that you think you want to add just a few little red buttons to, that would be really, really cute. Okay. So this here, maybe you can hold up the kit and I'll find the sample here. And then there's the tag. So this is a kit. And these are machine applique hearts, and it comes with video tutorial for doing the applique. This is so cute. You can do this in an afternoon. And this one is called, what's this called again? I forget.
Love You.
Love You. Okay. So again, I like making these little square quilts. This is, I think, about 20 or 21, maybe 22 inches. You could use this as a table topper. You could just display this like on the back of your chair or your sofa. You could use it as a wall hanging. So lots of different ways to use these little squares. This is like one of my favorite sizes to make for a quilt because they're quick and I think it's just so versatile. So actually you'll notice that the fabrics in this kit are a little bit different. This was our first version of it. Then I think we ran out of these fabrics and we kitted them in these fabrics.
These are beautiful, though.
These are really pretty. I mean, yeah, look at
and
that.
You get a printed pattern.
Look at that floral, and then the black floral with the little pink. Really pretty. Oh, and then you get a little to and from tag if you're making it for a gift and you want a coordinating tag to attach to your quilt. So we've got that. That's the Love You kit. And then we've also got the Home in My Heart kit, which this isn't really Valentine's Day. They're not Valentine colors, but they do have little hearts on all of the houses. So we thought it's got a heart. We'll put it in the Valentine's Day shop. So again, one of these great squares. So you could make, we've got a few of these little square topper kits in the shop. We call them little quilts. So here, maybe you want to hold that one. You know, if you want to grab a few of these kits, again, you can do them in the afternoon. They come with the applique tutorial. So if you've never done machine applique and you want to learn how, it's a great way to learn how. Maybe make a few and you could just switch them out if you've got a space in your house, like the back of the sofa or a wall or something. You could just make a few and switch them out. So
we just didn't show these.
Oh, we didn't talk about these yet.
These little quilt lovers.
So these are really cute. We put them in the Valentine's Day shop because they're called quilt lovers. And it's got some kind of pastel-y colors in it, like pink and red and purple. So these are just fun. We've had these before and they sold out really quick. And we couldn't reorder these for a while, but they just came back in stock. So we were able to order more of these. So very cute scissors and a tape measure, which is always helpful in the sewing studio.
Pencils.
And I love mechanical pencils because you never have
to.
I do. I use them all the time.
I have a hard time not buying them when I see them.
I love them because you don't have to sharpen them.
Yeah.
And I make mistakes all the time when I'm writing, so I need something erasable. So mechanical pencils are perfect for me. I use them like constantly. So okay, I think we've gone through everything. Again, this the Piece of My Heart kit is on sale through the 13th. We've got a really good early bird price on it. I think it's $34.95 is the early bird price. So it's a really good sale price. Get it now, and you have plenty of time to get this done for Valentine's Day because it's not going to take long at all. You can probably almost do this in an afternoon, definitely a weekend. So really fun January sewing, and I guess that's it. We'll put the link here to the Valentine Shop. Everything that we've shown is in that shop. So thanks for joining me today, and we hope you all have a great day. All right, bye.
Bye.